So for today's tutorial, we are using our brand new pale blue faux denim wrap. As you can see, it's super stretchy and it has this really cool heathered type of look in it. And I'm wearing the baritone shaper. I moved the stuffing just so it's like mid-height, not super high, not super low. And what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna put it on, but we're gonna make one side much shorter than the other. Just like this. And then we're gonna bring both tails up and we're gonna crisscross. Okay? We're gonna leave this one right here. We're gonna take this one to the back, bring it up and around. And as I bring this one up around, I'm gonna take this shorter one. Oops, it got stuck in it. I'm gonna take this shorter one and I'm gonna crisscross it with this one that just came up. So we're just gonna go like this. So it's gonna create like a quadruple type of twist as opposed to just like a regular double twist. Then we're gonna take it to the back. We're gonna bring it up and around, tuck this one in, and then I'm gonna tuck this one into the back. And then we're gonna fix it. The reason why I love this fabric is because it gives like a cool like a cool effect of like different wraps in one when really you're only using one. And it gives some height right up here for the ladies who like height.